Don't worry, we have a few Christmas suggestions. As you know, travel is reflected on our website NGT.Today. But, with Christmas only a few weeks away, we added a new page on our site, highlighting a few festive ideas such as serving delicious food and decorating the table, to decorating the room to wrapping gifts in the most beautiful way. So, from today onwards till the end of January, we'll place all Christmas-related items into the Christmas category. You can find it on our website NGT.Today. It's all free and available now. However, at the end of January, we'll be replacing Christmas with our Easter suggestions. So, before you go to our website, just hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, and we'll look forward to keeping you updated. From my family to yours, please, have a safe and very Merry Christmas.